Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you the Melvin band of Worley reduction, or in short it is called as a MPB reduction. Generally, aldehyde and ketones follow this reaction, and specifically the aldehydes and ketones on reduction get converted into the corresponding alcohol. Okay, so the Melvin band of Worley reduction says that or states that the reduction of aldehydes or ketones in isopropanol, the reduction of aldehydes or ketones by heating with isopropanol solvent and in presence of aluminum isopropoxide catalyst is called as a MPB reduction. And here the reduction of aldehyde and ketone into the corresponding alcohol by heating with isopropanol and aluminum isopropoxide as a catalyst is called as a MPB reduction, or the Melvin van der Worley reduction. Okay, so reaction is represented here. This is aldehyde or ketone. The R may be alkyl or maybe H, aldehydes or ketones, isopropanol. This aluminum isopropoxide is a catalyst, AlOCH Me twice, and this group is in 3 number thrice get converted into the primary or secondary alcohol and acetone. This is the reaction, is a reversible reaction, and this is MPB reduction, but its backward reaction is referred as a open air oxidation. Okay, so aldehyde and ketone converted into the primary alcohol by heating with solvent isopropanol. Here the side product is acetone and the major product is the primary or the secondary alcohol, depends on the nature of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, this is all about the Melvin van der Worley reduction. Okay, so this reaction having high importance because mild reaction conditions are used. Very simple and mild reaction conditions are required for to carry out this reaction in the laboratory. The product yield is high because side reactions are negligible. Acetone, when you distill off, the reaction get proceed through the forward reaction. Okay, so side. Let's see the mechanism of MPB reduction. Generally, this mechanism carried out in 2 steps. The step 1 describes the transfer of hydride ion from aluminum isopropoxide catalyst to the keto group of aldehyde or ketone. Okay, this is the ketone. This is the structure of the aluminum isopropoxide, AlOCH twice, and this group will be thrice in number. Okay, so this transfer of hydride ion takes place from catalyst to the ketone through the cyclic intermediate or the cyclic transition state. Okay, this is the cyclic transition state. R2C double bond O, bond AlOCH twice, and this group will twice number, out of which one group is involved in the cyclic transition state. So the bond between the keto group, one of the pi bond pair gets shifted here, so it is represented by a dotted line. This first, this pi bond pair shifted here. The bond between the aluminum oxygen is broken, and the bond between carbon and hydrogen gets shifted here, and the new bond between the carbon and hydrogen take place, so it is represented by dotted line. This bond is vanishing or shifting here, so this is represented by a dotted line. Okay, so hydride ion take place and the R2CHOALOCHM twice, and this is twice in number. So it is represented here. It is called a mixed alkoxide plus acetone is generated. Okay, so acetone is distilled off and reaction proceeds towards the forward direction. Okay, so in second step, the isopropanol solvent donates H plus to the mixed alkoxide, which is formed in step second. So it generates its product alcohol. So what happened here? This is the mixed alkoxide. This is the isopropanol, which donates protons to mixed alkoxide. The bond between the oxygen and aluminum is here broken, and generation or the formation of alcohol as product take place, and remaining part of this isopropanol get attached to remaining part of mixed alkoxide, and which regenerates the aluminum isopropoxide. Okay, this is the mechanism of MPV reduction. Here the first step, the transfer of H minus hydride ion in the, and the second step, the donation of proton from the solvent. So in the first step, the hydride ion given by catalyst, and in the second step, the proton is given by solvent. Okay, this is about the mechanism of MPV reduction. Let's see the application of MPV reduction. The first application, reduction of unsaturated aldehyde. This is the structure of the cinnamaldehyde. Okay, which are MPV reduction on treating with isopropanol and aluminum isopropoxide. It gets converted into the cinnamal alcohol. Okay, here the C double bond C group remains unaffected. Okay, so here the aldehyde group of cinnamaldehyde get converted into the CH2OH group. That means the cinnamal alcohol is formed. The first application. Second one, acrylaldehyde CH3CH double bond CHO, aluminum isopropoxide, isopropanol, MPV reduction get carried out, and this acrylaldehyde get converted into acryl alcohol. Acryl alcohol CH2 double bond CH CH2OH. Okay. Then next application, the reduction of para-nitrobenzaldehyde to para-nitrobenzyl alcohol. Okay, this is the para-nitrobenzaldehyde on MPV reduction. That this group get converted into the CH2OH group. That means the para-nitrobenzyl alcohol is formed. Here though group is reducible, but it does not dictate that the MPV reaction is very specific to the keto group of aldehyde and ketone. Keto group of aldehyde or ketone. Okay. Next one, the reduction of aromatic ketone. This is the structure of acetophenone, which on treating with aluminum isopropoxide catalyzes in presence of the isopropanol solvent. MPV reduction take place, and this keto group will convert to the corresponding CHOA, that is secondary alcohol is formed. This name of this compound is the alpha ethyl benzyl alcohol. Okay. The next one, the reduction of alicyclic ketones. The alicyclic ketone, this is the structure of the 2-cyclohexenone on MPV reduction by aluminum isopropoxide and isopropanol alcohol solvent. This ketone group converted to the alcohol group, that is 2-cyclohexene-1-ol is formed. 2-cyclohexene-1-ol, that is secondary alcohol is formed. This is the applications. These are the application of the MPV reduction. Hello friends, the catalyst used in the MPV reduction is the aluminum isopropoxide. Okay, so the structure of aluminum isopropoxide is somewhat difficult to represent. So I have tried here to represent the structure of aluminum isopropoxide by 3 ways or 3 types. Okay, AlOCH twice. This is particular group is present in number 3. So this is the simplest short form of aluminum isopropoxide. Okay, this aluminum isopropoxide may be represented like this: AlOCH, CH3, and this group thrice in number. Okay, or it may be represented like this. The aluminum have valency 3, so it is bonded to 3 oxygen, and then CH3. That means AlOCH twice, thrice. This structure or these structures are aluminum isopropoxide.